It's too easy to me because I'm looking in the mirror and my dad made me a real top boy. I just can't play the victim. Be living my life as a kingpin. I'm calm with the heat in the kitchen. Then the power just kicked in. What's up, Nimbus? Yo, Nimbus, you need to like calm down right now, bro. You're going crazy. You're going crazy, bro. You're gonna get the feds onto me, bro. They're gonna be like, damn, what's this strategy that's all of a sudden making people money? What's this strategy that's making people rich? We need to put an end to this shit right now. And then they're gonna nerf my fucking strategy, bro. And then none of us are gonna be able to make money. Yeah, they're like, yo, we need to get this guy out of here right now. This guy may have figured it all out. This guy may have figured it all out. Get his ass. What's up, Thomas? Today's a no trade day for me because obviously USD inflation news tonight. So we've got core inflation rate year monthly. So it's a no trade day for me. But if I bring up the Discord channel, let me just show you some results from some of the members today, because there's quite a lot of members that took some trades today. We had Nubat over here. Made $205 trading gold. He said most of the good ones came during the window you tell us to trade. So this is the trading window, the pre-London trading video that I teach in the academy. Nimbus made some dollars on gold as well, sells, and also Tony as well took sells and made some money, $78. So yeah, members took trades today, but I didn't. But members are out trading me right now. I can't lie. What's up, Squizzy? They're gonna KFC your ass. Members are legitimately out trading me right now. Yeah, 100%, Thomas. I teach that in the academy. I tell people what and recommend what days to trade and what days not to trade based on news. But that's obviously that depends on each person if they want to listen to those rules. If they don't, 3 people made money today trading the strategy. Right? I didn't trade at all. I didn't make any money because that's just my personal preference, right? But yeah, I do teach that as well. The no trade days. Are we buying, boys? You're steady and safe, reckless. You're steady and safe. We're reckless, but me anyway. No, I mean it's not reckless if you, like I said, if you have, the strategy, you have a game plan, risk management plan. It's not reckless. It's if you're trading with no plan, no stop loss in mind, anything like that, then it's reckless. But obviously, I don't teach that. And you guys know that anyway. What's up, Tony? What's up, bro? Stay away now. Yeah. I think if you're going to trade during these days, during, for example, NFP or inflation, interest rates, it has to be pre-London. It has to be pre-London session. Pre-London to London Open, anything after that, it's very risky. Leading into the news, right? So do you get your news from the bottom of TradingView, or do you have all this? I pretty much use TradingView, Squizzy, because they give you they give you all the good, like the most important ones anyway. And sometimes I use Forex Factory, but mainly you just need to look out for the main ones. So inflation, interest, NFP, FOMC, unemployment. I think that's it. Just the main ones. I'm on the west coast? No, east coast. I'm in Melbourne, bro. I actually don't know if that's the east or west coast. I'm not Australian, so 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna say goodnight to my daughter. 1 second. California. East Coast, yeah, I thought it was. I'm not from Australia originally, you know. I should really know. I've been here like 8 years, but yeah, I don't. My bad. But yeah, I'm in Melbourne. What's up, Sib? How are you, bro? What's up, Harami? What's up, Mingy? What's up, guys? Welcome in, welcome in. Oh, Nimbus going out for takeaways already. Squizzy's in Melbourne as well. Nice. How does CPI affect gold? You know, it's important data in the market seal. This is yo, John Krassas, thank you for the sub on YouTube. I appreciate you. Welcome to the YouTube gang, my guy. Anything that's has high impact on the economy or the currency is going to affect it in ways that it's going to have a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume, massive volume spikes in the market when that news drops. So it's very risky to trade. It's very uncertain to trade during those times. That's why I choose not to trade during those times. Not much of a temperature adjustment in a different world over here. Yeah, exactly. Yo, Sab, thank you for the share on TikTok, man. Appreciate you guys. Yo, yesterday TikTok stream was crazy. Sarah Ali, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Yeah, Nimbus and Tony are just like out trading me right now. No cap. The students have become the teachers at this point. Inflation is what's this, 22.30, so 10:30, a couple of hours away. Yeah, I'm in Australia, Sab. I was just wondering if I go through the course and have cruise. Yeah, so you get a one-on-one session that comes with the academy, one a month, Thomas. So whenever that is, that's up to you. You can book it directly within the academy. There's an app where you can book a one-on-one based on whichever time slot is available. And yeah, but there's the one-on-one, or you can you know, contact me whenever, bro, through Instagram, Discord. You'll be in the Discord group. So. I'm new to this, but are you trading because isn't market? No, market is closed in Australia, Sab, but we can trade the London session, right? We can trade the London market. We can trade the New York session. So yeah, the Asian session or Sydney session is over. It's closed, but we can continue to trade during London and New York because those are the best sessions to trade. They have the most volume, volatility, which is good for gold. There's 43 lessons so far, Thomas. I think there's about 7 hours maybe of content in there. But like I'm adding stuff to it every single day. Like I have lots of plans to just keep adding and adding and adding different things, different teaching. So there's some text, right? There's like text and there's also video. lessons as well. I'll make small change. It's not about the money, Nimbus. It's not about the money. It's about the percentages, my guy. Buy now? Why would you buy now, someone? Just curious. Not saying that you're wrong or right. I'm just saying, why would you buy now? Give me some explanation. What's up, Alwyn? Double bottom? Tony, you're doing well, man. You're doing well. Like, I feel the vibes coming from you right now, bro, and it's all good vibes, man. Like, I'm happy for you, bro. And I know you know, but you know, just keep that focus, bro. Keep that discipline. Don't get carried away. If you take a loss, you know what I mean? Like, it's inevitable, so just prepare for that and make sure you're not revenge trading and you know, don't blow it, right? No pressure. Keep trading, same setup, and you'll get there. Yeah. Is it a good time to buy? It depends on the strategy, John. What do you think? Is it a good time to buy? Right now, I wouldn't be buying it anywhere in here personally, because price is currently on a downtrend. It's heading to the downside. Although this is the 5-minute time frame, you know, I would still like to see a nice move up, right? And then you start to see that bullish structure forming, and then you can start to look for buys above key levels. But at the moment, price is, for me, like, you know, heading down. So price is heading down. Just continue to look for sales, right? I'm getting excited, trying to keep level-headed. Yeah, keep level-headed, bro, as best as you can. It's all trial and error, but you know, I believe in you, bro, and I think you believe in yourself now. You know it's achievable, right? And I know you know what it takes to get there, right? But it's just getting there. Yeah, Thomas, 100%. So the members made money off its selling, right, today. So you can, in Forex, you can make money off price going up or price going down. So you can see Tony today in the Discord, he actually took sales, so he made profit off price going down, right? And same as Nimbus, he made money off price going down. He sold. So you can make money on price going up or down, right? In Forex, it doesn't matter. Yeah, everyone in Forex does that, Thomas. I do it as well, 100%. If you take a look at, wait, where's my trading journal? If you take a look at my journal, money sign, what's your name? Money Lifestyle. Appreciate the follow. Thank you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. So if you see here, where is it? Yeah, if you have a look at my trading journal right here, you can see that I have buys and sells, right? You see these trades, buys, sells. So when I'm buying, I'm making money or losing money off price going up. And when I sell, I'm making or losing money off price going down. That's the beauty of Forex, right? It's not like stocks where you have to buy shares in a stock or a company or something like that, and in anticipation that that stock is going to increase, right? The value of that stock or company, whatever, is going to increase, and therefore you make money. In Forex, it's up or down. This is the 5-minute time frame. How long have we been trading for? 7 years. Manifest the dream. So yeah, right now, you know, gold is getting a short-term downtrend here. Let's see if price can continue bullish at some point. But you know, like I said, price is heading down. So at the moment, the only real thing I'll be looking at is sales. And unless we get a nice, like I said, move up like this, starting to form, then you can look for buys above key levels to the upside. But as of right now, price is trending down. No buys on the table for me. You do anything else? My eyes are still holding up. Well, what do you mean? My eyes. What, from staring at a screen? Oh, bro, Thomas. Once you know how to trade, like, you don't spend hours on looking at a screen like this, right? You only do it at the start of trading when you're learning. But once you have your strategy and once you know what you're doing, when I do my analysis for pre-learning session, I literally look at the charts for 10, 15 minutes. I'll have my setup, I'll have my entries, my stop losses, my key levels, everything within 10, 15 minutes, right? Then I set my levels, right? I set my alerts, my levels, my buy stops, sell stops, whatever. And then I'm done, right? I then continue on with my day. I leave my office, go continue my day with my daughter, go to the park, do this, do that. And then when those alerts get hit and when price starts to come into my levels that I'm looking for, then I'll start potentially, looking to enter the trades and come into my desk again. But, probably about an hour, half an hour to an hour, I look at the charts per day when I'm trading. The only reason I look at them for such a long time here is because I'm streaming. But I wouldn't sit in front of the charts like this and stare at them if I wasn't streaming, right? Obviously, I have to do this because I'm streaming to you guys, which I enjoy. But you really don't need to sit and stare at the charts like this at all. Do I have a funded account? No, I don't. Can confirm on that. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. This isn't good. What isn't good, Lil Foxy? Gold? Why not? Sorry again, new to this, but what is your reason for trading gold instead of trading currencies? Sab, yeah, no worries, Sab. Like, ask as many questions as you want, but I trade gold instead of currencies because of the volatility within gold, right? It's a very high volume pair to trade. When it moves very quickly. It's great for price action, which is what I trade. I'm a price action based trader. You can catch really big moves on gold and they happen fairly quickly. Whereas with currencies, you can't really catch as big moves and sometimes things move quite slow. Yeah, Thomas, 100%. The stream is more, I genuinely enjoy streaming. I genuinely enjoy it. I always have. Like I've been streaming on and off for like years now, right? But it's only recently this last year that I've been disciplined enough to just keep streaming like Monday to Friday. But yeah, I really enjoy streaming. I enjoy, sitting here chilling with you guys, meeting other traders. So yeah, this is more of a social thing, and also, like share my analysis and meet other traders, like I said, and yeah. Are you scared to trade during CPI? Yeah, look, so I actually don't trade during CPI, so I'm not going to look for trades at all. But I did ask my members and people in the Discord today. I told them that I'm not trading today. It's a no trading day for me because of inflation. And I said, would you guys still want me to stream? And people said yes, so I decided to still stream. Did you catch the gold sale? No, I didn't catch the gold sale, but some of the members did, Shiesty. Some of the members did. What made you decide? And gold pays, exactly. Gold pays. Gold pays. Yeah, I remember, Tony. I was the same as well. I remember we both talked about trading gold and we was like, oh man, gold's so scary. It moves so quick. And now look at us. What made me decide to move to Oz? I met my partner here. She's from Oz. So yeah. I lived in New Zealand, and before that I lived in the UK. Squizzy. Legend, thank you for the follow, you absolute legend. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok game. I caught the sale, also made a little buy. Oh, nice. Nice, man. Did you this sale? Was it this sale that you caught right here? Yeah, man, I love Australia, I call this place my home now. I lived in New Zealand for like 8 years, I think, and I just never felt at home at that place. It's a beautiful country. But I just never felt at home. So I never really called New Zealand home. But Australia, like, I'll call my home for sure. It's a beautiful country. I love living here. Wanna be billionaire? IGC and Shelby, thank you for the follows. IGC, wait, you're a regular in here, right? Why are you only just following right now, IGC? That's crazy. I saw you in the chat loads of times. But yeah, thank you guys for the follows. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Mojojo, thank you for the follow. I lived in NZ my whole life. Moved to Oz, Brisbane last December. Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, New Zealand is a beautiful place, man. Like, you know, I have a lot of great memories there, but I don't know, I just never felt comfortable in that country, never felt at home. I just always felt a little bit out of place there. But Australia, as soon as I came to Australia, I was like, yes. This is the place for me. Local Aussie, oh, what's up, legend? Sorry, I missed that comment. What's up, man? How long have you been trading for? 7 years. Over 7 years. Where can I find the link for the Discord? Where is you kind of entry? I'll post the Discord one time. I try not to post it too much because I don't want the server to get overcrowded. I want it to stay nice and small. But yeah, I'll post it real quick. I'll post it real quick. Why not? Get some more people in here. That's the Discord link right there. It's in the TikTok. If you guys in the YouTube want it. My entry right now, really, there's no really real entry for me right now until after CPI. What about crypto? What about crypto? Me and my girlfriend want to travel. NZ. Oh, mate, NZ is beautiful. The most beautiful country in the world. Like, all one of them, surely, right? Especially the South Island. But, yeah, definitely do, bro. It's a beautiful place to visit. To live, I'm not so sure. Yeah, and it truly is, bro. It truly is. Like, you won't even be prepared. Like, you can look at pictures all day long. And you'll be like, wow, that's insane. But in real life, it's actually even more insane. Shouldn't you know, is a meme coin? I have some, but it's a gamble. The market cap is low, so if it were to shoot up, margins can be larger with larger deposits. Yeah. It's quite expensive though. I mean, with everything right now in the world, like, most countries are expensive, but New Zealand, from when I lived there, was like, the economy is not very big, right? There's only like 4 million people or something in the whole of New Zealand. Where in Australia, in Melbourne, there's, I think, more than that alone in Melbourne. So the economy is small, like, things are quite expensive. But yeah, it's a beautiful country. What's up, Harangad? What's up, my guy? We got a lot of crypto experts over here in the TikTok. What's up, Joseph, bro? Long time no see. How are you, man? I heard that World War III is coming soon, so should we all buy gold? 100%. Physical gold, though. If you can buy physical gold seal, then yeah, buy it 100%. Gold CDFs, on the other hand, probably not as helpful. Brisbane, right now, this is just kind of a CPI watch party, right? We got CPI tonight. I never trade this when this news happens, during the day that this news happens. So right now we're just doing a bit of a watch party, seeing how gold looks. But it's looking fairly bearish at the moment. 4 hour as you can see, selling off here after this rejection, breaking previous lows, selling off by 75 or so pips, down into this key level right now. So we got a support level over here that price is currently tapping into, so we'll see what happens. But right now, we're just chilling. Gold CDF blows your accounts. You went away for a bit? Oh, nice. Oh, is that the holiday? Was that you who was talking about you went on holiday, Joseph? xauusd scalps. Am I selling for CPI? I'm not doing anything for CPI, my guy. I don't gamble with my money. Yo, Harringad, thank you for the rose, my guy. Always sending me flowers over here, man. Very generous. Sab sharing the live, appreciate you. I want to buy Solana mem coins or some good looking Bitcoin mem coins. But yeah, if you can buy physical gold right now, like a nice gold necklace or something like that to wear, some real gold, then if the world does go to shit, then you got a little something to help you out. Went on holiday to Italy for a couple of weeks. Nice, bro. Where did you go in Italy? That sounds amazing. I want to go to Italy. Did you take any trades today? No, not today, Harringad. I don't trade on days when we have CPI inflation news, right? I just stay out of the markets completely. On the 30-minute, it just closed above support level. Which support level? Are you talking about this one over here? No, I'm a scalper. Scalper day trader. What did I say before about taking any trades, Harringad? No, I haven't taken any trades today. I don't trade during inflation. CPI is inflation, Sab. So it's the inflation rates for the US dollar, which is very significant in a currency, especially the US. So we've got core inflation and inflation. Very high impact news, very high volatile news to come out on the US dollar, which is coming out within the next couple of hours. So this can create a very unpredictable market conditions, Sab, which can be very tricky to trade. So for that reason, I decide to just not trade during those days, right? Protect my capital. And basically not gamble. What's up, Tucking? What's happening, bro? My day's good. How was your day, bro? What strat do I use? Price action, Scout. So price action, I get my bias off the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour. I look for entries on the 1 hour and the 5 minute, based on price action and breakouts of key levels. Is that why it looks pretty bearish right now? Because of the news? I mean, not necessarily. This can just be normal price action. But you know what? Let's take a look at Forex Factory. Harringad with another rose. My God, appreciate you. So yeah, as you can see right here, let me make it smaller for you guys on the TikTok as well. Right here, core CPI, right? Right here, 1030. So previous was 0.4, 0.4, 3.2. So it's expected to be lowered by a base point here, CPI, but an increase over here for the year-on-year CPI. So that's a bit of a mixed bag, really. Actual great, the forecast is good for currency. Yes. 1 second, guys. So yeah, expect it to be good for the dollar. Elliot's wave confirms this for me as well. No, 100 pips of profit does not equal to 1% of growth, Tucking. The percentage of growth basically comes from what kind of strategy you use. So, for example, if you risk 1% per trade and you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, then that will equal 1% of growth, right? If you risk 1% and have a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, then that will equal 2% growth. But 100 pips isn't necessarily 1% growth if you base that 100 pips on the percentage of your account, if you understand what I'm saying. Rented a car in Venice and went down to Verona. Nice place. I'm looking forward to getting back there. Oh, that sounds, bro, I'm not gonna lie, that sounds insane. That sounds insane. How many monitors do I use for trading? I use one, but I've got like a 3-monitor setup. So I got this one, which I'll read the chat on right here, and it has the stream on YouTube. Then I have this one, this is the monitor that I trade on, and then I have my laptop over here, which is for which I use for TikTok. But when I'm trading, I just use one. Just use one monitor, really. You only need one monitor. I've been tripping out because my 4-hour chart looks different to yours. Interval updates. Now, do you know what this could be? Yeah, maybe you're using a different broker on TradingView. I use the xauusd charts on TradingView, Squizzy. So if you use the xauusd charts, you'll get the same. But you might be using FXCM or something like that. Let's have a look. I'm a beginner. Bought a few Ethereum. Do you reckon I should sell for this lower? Gilda Mary, I have no idea about cryptocurrency. I trade Forex. This is gold. So that's actually a commodity. It's not Forex, but yeah, I don't trade crypto or invest in crypto. Sorry to say that, but yeah, if you want to learn anything about gold or Forex or currencies, then I can definitely help you with that. So look, I think I missed a few questions. Did I? No. Do you trade more than one pair at once? And what pairs do you trade besides gold? Zach, I only trade one pair at a time. So most of the time, the last like 30, 31, 32 trades that I've took have always been on gold. And occasionally I may trade GJ here and there, but most of the time it's gold. What else do we have? What else do we have? I use my broker's chart and trading view. Your thoughts on AUD USD? I don't trade AUD USD, man, so I can't really give thoughts on that, unfortunately. How successful are you at trading gold? So this is my trading journal, right? Who asked that question? Zay. This is my trading journal. So this was started at the start of the year, from the 1st of Jan, with a 10k count, and it is now at 38,225. Most of the trades on here have been on gold. If you want to look at the stats, I have a 61.54% win rate. The account has gained 157.25% since the 1st of Jan. A total profit of 452 pips. Yeah, there's the win rates for January, February, March. Win rate in Jan was 49%. Win rate in Feb was 74%. Win rate in March was 69%. And win rate so far for April is 75%. 5 trades taken so far in April. Do I trade short term or long term? Short term. What's up, Sid? What's up, Sid? I'm good, bro. How are you? Sorry, I missed that message. I was using FP markets. Yeah, so I do have FP markets on here as well. Squizzy. So this is the FP market chart, as you can see. Oh, you can't see that because of my camera, but yeah, this is the FP markets for gold, and this is the Awanda. So I strictly go off Awanda, but I do look at FP markets sometimes as well, just to make sure that it's lining up. Now is UP. Now is up. John, is that what you're asking? Now is up. Yo, Tia, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you, Tia Smith. Oh no, Tia Smith shared the live. Thank you for the share. Who's this that followed? Hal Walker, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Let's have a look. Okay, I've been mainly trading xauusd, but I don't really like trading other pairs. Yeah, that's fine, Zach. That's all I trade too. I don't like trading many other pairs, right? I love just trading gold. I will happily trade just gold for the rest of my life, for the rest of my trading career, right? Like, I do not need any other pair. What is my bias on gold? My bias on gold at the moment is to see what happens during inflation. But I mean, you know, based on the 4-hour time frame, price is looking a little bit bearish, although we have had the move happen on the 4-hour. So you can see right here, the current 4-hour candle has broke the previous low and drove down by 75 pips. So that's the move that's happened based on this 4-hour candle so far. And at this point, we're just going to see where this goes from here, right? Whether it rejects, whether it continues bearish, whether in 2 hours it closes like a decently strong bearish candle. And if it does it close below these key levels? Does it close below this key level? How far down can it go? And can we anticipate further sells going into New York session open? Master one pair, exactly. Master one pair. What do you do now? Just wait, John. I highly recommend not trading today. It is CPI inflation. So, you know, there's literally, you know, at this point, getting this close to inflation, right, a couple hours away, it's best to just not trade. 1 to 500 scalps. I'm so happy that this is being live streamed. Need to get back into this. Oh, nice. What's up, man? Did you take a bit of a break from trading? Did you? Hal Walker. What a name that is, man. Hal Walker. No way, Tony. No way you're driving and streaming right now. That's your goal as well, Squizzy? Master one pair? That's awesome, man. That's what I like to hear. The problem with trading one pair is there's going to be there's going to be times where you're not going to be able to catch a trade for days, sometimes a week or more, right? And that's where your patience, your discipline comes into play. You don't get greedy, you don't get impulsive, impatient, and you understand that you're going to get your move eventually, right? You just have to wait, be prepared. Driving a Tesla. Who in the chat, who in the TikTok chat or the YouTube chat would buy a Tesla? What did you say? Tried to start through baby pips and got a notebook full of notes, but I just lost it because I was tired. Yeah, always tired. I mean, always tired because of the learning, how Walker, or what, you because of your job or what? You wouldn't buy Tesla? Scalps wouldn't buy a Tesla. Sid wouldn't buy a Tesla. I'd rather pay $3 per litre than drive a car they can shut off or control during the next lockdown. Yeah, I saw a lot about that actually, about how they can just, you know what I mean? Like with a petrol car or a diesel car, I mean, they can just stop, they can just shut down, petrol, gas and diesel and things like that. But obviously it'll be a lot harder than just shutting down a whole electric circuit of cars, right? Life got in the way, okay. So you want to get back into it now? Are you a beginner? Like, how far along in your journey are you, Hal Walker? I think that you're a trading account will fly. Not sure about that car. Nimbus, I think you're in the wrong career path, brother. I think you should be a comedian. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself to master the psychological side of trading because I'm nowhere close to be able to actually trade yet, so I can't actually train that. Yeah, and that just comes with experience, Squizzy. That comes with experience, man. So there is obviously psychological practices and homework and things you can improve on, but most of the psychological aspect of trading comes with experience and understanding that you need to improve on the psychological aspect, right? A lot of people just don't even think about it or brush it to one side and say, psychological, mental aspect of trading, like, who cares? Like, I just need a strategy and I'll trade. But if you know that you need to improve on those things and you have a game plan to improve your psychological aspects of trading, then, as you're working through that, it's just going to naturally happen with experience. A lot of people don't laugh at my jokes, Cody. Maybe we're on a similar wavelength. I think Nimbus, I genuinely think you're funny, bro. Like, you crack me up. Some of the things you say sometimes. Oh, it's 100% more important than your analysis. It's 100% more important than your analysis for sure. Because like we've talked about before, mostly any strategy that you can go out there and learn and pick up off YouTube or a course or wherever, most of them can be profitable, right? It just depends on the person and what kind of mind frame they're in and what kind of mental state they're in. That's what's going to make them profitable, not the strategy. What percentage of your account do you risk on each trade, or does it change? No, it generally stays the same. So I just use 5 lots. Looking, so I'll just use a 5 lot. If the stop loss is looking rather large, right, towards the bigger side, where I'm like, oh, that stop loss is a little bit too big, then I'll half my risk. I'll go 2.5 lots or sometimes a 1 lot. But most of the time I just, when I'm scalping, I just use 5 lots. Beginning, yeah, just doing demo accounts and learning how it all moves because it's different to what you learn. Yeah, no, I like that 100%, Hal Walker. That is literally the correct approach to have, right? Taking your time learning as much as you can. Whereas when most people come into trading, right, they just have this image in their head that they're gonna get rich within the next few months, right? Because they've watched some YouTube video of some guru on YouTube in their Lamborghini with a Rolex watch on, and they think they can achieve that themselves within a few short months, and they dive in too quick and they go head first, right? And that's the complete wrong approach. Whereas your approach, what you're doing, is absolutely the right way to go about it. Just take your time, learn, trade demo for a little bit, and just take your time. Take your time. There's no rush. You're not trading today? News coming out? No, I'm not trading during news, Chris. Yeah, I got lucky because my mate's dad is a professional trader making good money. He's trying to get us boys into it slowly. Oh, that's awesome. Well, then that's perfect, bro. If you've got someone like that guiding you, that's insane. That's insane. Yo, well done, Sid. Let's go, bro. Let's go. See you in the next stream, bro. Appreciate you stopping by. Yo, Angus McKenzie. Appreciate the follow. Yeah, that's insane. So how old are you, Hal Walker? You should hear a song I made for you about trading gold. It's made with AI though. Is it? Let me hear it. Let me hear it, Nimbus. Okay, yeah, I'll take that on board. Yeah. Let's go, Squizzy. You seem like you got your head screwed on your shoulders pretty well. Squizzy, I'm not gonna lie, you seem like a pretty down to earth, sensible kind of dude, so you know, I think you'll be fine, man. Just patience, you know, patience. Patience is the key in trading. Don't try to rush things. Don't be impulsive. Just take your time. Here we go. We got a song over here. I'll listen to it after the stream, actually. Yo, Bosman, appreciate the follow. I really want to listen to it now, but I'll just listen to it after the stream. You're 16? Hal Walker, that's crazy, bro, man. I wish I got into trading at 16. Fuck. Don't listen on stream, okay. Thanks, man. I'm really trying to trade this trading stuff properly, taking it more serious than anything I've ever done before. Yeah, that's good, bro. Just make sure you're always honest with yourself, you know? Be honest with yourself. Be, you know... Don't take yourself too seriously. Don't be too hard on yourself. Have fun with it, but, you know... Make sure you're doing things properly, which I think you are. Have you got a trade on the moment? Nah, no trade on at the moment, Beach. We got CPI coming up shortly, so I'm not going to be trading during CPI, right? This is very high impact news. You can see the markets are potentially already starting to consolidate a little bit in here, right? Price has been playing around this level a fair bit, unless we get a breakout soon. But yeah, I don't trade during these news events. Show us all the table of your PC. We can only see lines. What do you mean? All the table of my PC, Bosman. What do you mean, my guy? Oh, that's too much. Let me just go up a little bit. Tucking, you're 15. Yo, my gosh. Bro, I wish I got into trading that early, man. If I got into trading that early, shit. It will be over for everybody right now. Yeah, but I need money to make it, you know, so trade gonna be nice. Yeah, the money will come. The money will come, Al Walker. You don't have to worry about that yet. How long have you been doing this? What, trading? 7 years. Alright, fellas, Matt, have a good day tonight. We're gonna continue to talk. Let's go, Tony. Oh, have a good day at work, bro. Enjoy yourself. Have a big smile on your face. And just note that you clapped the markets today, right? And we'll see you tomorrow. What day is it tomorrow? Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Tony. Yeah, Tony's killing it right now, man. Yo, Azad, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. I don't know if I said that. I'm pretty sure I didn't. How much have you profited so far over the 7 years? I have no idea, my guy. I could not even begin to put a number on it. A specific number, but, you know, thousands. I used to keep track of it, but then, yeah, then I didn't. It became too much of like a pressure, like keeping track of how much like money I made, because I would always have a number in my head like, oh, I've made this much, and then I would have a few losing trades, and I'd be like, oh man, I'm back down at this much, and then so now I just numbers are just numbers. I just go off, you know, account gain percentages. I try my best not to count profit, because profit really just doesn't matter, right? It's a byproduct of the trading, but it shouldn't be the only reason and the only thing we're looking at when we're looking at our trading and our stats and things like that. And also it can have a detrimental effect, like mentally, psychologically, if you're tracking your profit all the time. So I just write it all in here. It's all tracked in here. And I'll try not to keep track of it too much. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, let's go see what GJ is doing actually. Let's take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at GJ on the daily time frame, right? GJ is looking nice on the daily time frame. So we've got nice bullish candles coming in. We've got lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Price forming a very nice uptrend at this point, right? We're also creating higher highs. We're actually coming in to test previous daily highs at this point as we speak, right? We're testing in those previous daily highs. I'm just going to mark out the daily candle closure as well. So from the daily perspective, things are obviously looking very bullish, right? We've had a nice move to the upside, a pullback, a continuation. Rejection wick in here yesterday. Rejection from, what is it, 192856. But price is looking like it's creating a bottom wick and continuing bullish for the day. So 4 hour looking decent, continuing bullish, got a nice 4 hour closure here. What is this? This is the, oh, that was actually a very nice trade right there. We had a very nice pre-London move on GJ right here. Let me just move this over here. Yeah, very nice pre-London move on GJ. Why won't this change? There we go. Yeah, very nice breakout. Very nice breakout at this level right here. You can see this support Sorry, this resistance level right here. Beautiful 1 hour candle breakout on GJ. Very nice move to the upside. Would have been potentially something like this. Targets up at previous daily high, like a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. 35, 33 pips. That would have been a beautiful trade on GJ. But yeah, I don't really trade GJ too much. But if we're looking at the 5-minute, you can see a nice break and retest at that level. Right, price coming up, break, retest, continuation. In terms of entries, not seeing much of an entry right here. Yeah, entries definitely would have been off the 1 hour time frame with this 1 hour breakout. Yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful move on GJ today. Actually, I haven't seen GJ move this well in a long time. Lot size is the amount of units of a CDF that you purchase. So if for example, if you go into a trade on gold and you put a 1 lot size on, you're buying I don't know how many units. A standard lot in Forex is equal to 100,000 currency units, right? Standard unit size for traders. So lots are just what you use, the amount of contracts or CDFs that you buy when you are buying this certain currency, right? Whether you are selling or buying, the lot size equals the amount of units that you are buying of that currency. Do you pay for premium? No, I used to pay for the premium, but it's not necessary. I literally didn't use really any of the features, so now I just use the Pro. Is it the Pro? Yeah, the Pro. I think whatever it is. But yeah, that was a beautiful entry on GJ. And now price is continuing bullish here from the 4 hour perspective. Another 1 hour closure above. Price broke above 7 or so pips, but yeah, price is tapping off those previous daily highs in here now. So it'll be interesting to see what GJ does from here. I could feel it. Slip away. But yeah, GJ. I just haven't been interested in GJ at all lately. All right, Tucking man, appreciate you stopping in as always. Have a good day, man. Do you have copy trading available? No, I don't, user. I mean, it's something I'll be open to doing if there's enough interest in it. But at the moment, I don't have it. What's my trading strategy? Price action, breakout trading. Yeah, it's full time, Beach. I don't have an X amount that I never have profit targets. I never say I'm gonna try and make this much this month or this much today or this much this week. I just go with the flow of the markets. And yeah, I never have set profit targets. I have take profits in trading, but I mean in terms of the profit that I'm looking to make, like I said, for the day, for the week, or for the month. What do I think is going to hit on a sell? I mean, this level, these levels here are obviously looking pretty attractive right now. 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2, and 2, 3, 40, 8, 9, 7 potentially. But of course, that is suggesting that price is going to sell, but who knows what it's going to do, right? Never try to predict, always just react. Never predict, just react to the markets, man. Where your Discord link? The Discord link, I did post it in the TikTok. So if you scroll up, I'm not sure if you've just joined, if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, it was posted earlier. Yo, Vu, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. How long have you been trading for? 7 years. What's your IRO yearly? It depends. Every year is different. Usually it's around, it's been around 70 to 100 the last couple of years. Including this year so far. It's looking on track to be around about that again. How to join your group? Which group? Cody Flick's candle forward strategy. Do you think it's the best to develop your own strategy or find one on YouTube or a course? It just depends on you, Squeezy. Of course, if you have a strategy, then if you already have one, I would suggest sticking to it. But if you're struggling with a strategy, then definitely you can learn more from YouTube or a course or wherever need be. But it's always beneficial to learn a solid strategy as well as the being guided through it. Sent this chat. What do you mean, John? You talking about the Discord link? Yo, KJ Dan, thank you for the follows on TikTok. Appreciate you guys. How long did it take me to become profitable? Like 4 years, 4 or 5 years. What are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Elon Musk seems to like it, so it must be good. For Discord, okay, I'll send the Discord link one more time to you guys. Like I said, I don't want it to get too crowded in here. I'm trying to keep it small. I don't want it to be just like hundreds of people and it just gets out of control. I want it to be nice and cozy, you know what I'm saying? Like a few people in here and sharing ideas and helping each other out. So that's the Discord link there in the TikTok. That's the Discord link there in the YouTube channel. I mean, Squizzy, I mean, Tony, there's Nimbus, there's Nukebat, there's Mohan, there's a lot of people that have done the academy and learned the strategies and are just killing it. Do you do one-on-one? There's one-on-ones offered in the academy, Dan. I don't do them separately, but if you buy into the academy, then you get one-on-ones. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the same with the copy trading, right? If there's a lot of interest in it, then I'll be open to do it. But at the moment, there's no like specifically one-on-ones themselves. But like I said, if there's enough interest, then I'll definitely consider it. What pair is this? This is gold. What was my studying hours like for trading? Like 10 plus hours a day for like 4 years straight. And I'm not even joking. 10 hours minimum a day I used to do. Sometimes I would do 15, 20 hours a day, barely sleep, staring at charts, trying to figure out how to trade, how to work it out, how to be profitable, you know. Yeah, for anyone who's not exactly sure what's the best method, I'd defo advise buying the academy. Cody has helped me a lot. I appreciate that, Joseph. And Joseph as well. Joseph is also in the academy, yeah. But yeah, like I didn't trade today, but there was members in the academy, like the guys over on YouTube here, like Tony. Tony's had 4 wins and 0 losses. He's done a bit of a winning streak. He's doing his funded challenge. He's currently up. I don't know. He's 21% of the way to hitting his profit target. So Nimbus as well took some trades today. This was Tony's. This was Nimbus's trade right here. Sales on gold. Tony also took the sales on gold. So they both had the same type of trade. And this was also nuke bats. I forgot. I got to try and remember like 50 names, but yeah, nuke bat here as well. Also trading. Made $206, and he just went crazy. He was buying gold. He was selling gold. He was doing everything. What is a funded challenge? A funded account or a funded challenge is by companies that offer you an account which has, for example, $5,000 in or $10,000, and you're allowed to trade that account as long. First of all, you have to do like a valuation phase where you show them that you can trade. So you have to hit a certain profit target without hitting like a drawdown target or a loss target, or whatever it is. So there's rules and things set in place for you to pass that evaluation. But then once you do, you get access to a funded account, like I said, where you have either 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. They do all different kinds of accounts, but obviously the 100,000 ones cost a lot more money than the 5,000 ones. So if you can pass it, if you can stay disciplined enough to pass a funded challenge or a funded account, then you get access to larger funds. Are doji candles reliable? 100%. As long as you're using them in confluence with other things, right? I wouldn't say trading just strictly doji candles is reliable, but trading them within another strategy with other confluences, Crozma, then yeah, then it can become reliable for sure. Yeah, so that's what Tony's doing now, Squizzy. He's doing a funded account. Yeah, he's doing quite well. Also, Nimbus does funded accounts, I'm pretty sure. Right, Nimbus? Oh, here comes MFK. I haven't seen this guy in a while. But also, guys, if you are interested in the academy, when you go onto the website, there is payment options because somebody actually came to me. A few people actually came to me about this, about payment options, because they can't afford the whole thing in one payment. So there's like a pay weekly, pay 2 weekly, or pay monthly payment plans or options available if you guys are interested in that. But you don't get access until the full payment is complete. Flawless, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. No, we are not interested. No worries. Scammer. All right, bro. No worries. If you're not interested, you're not interested, bro. You don't. I'm not forcing you to buy anything. I'm literally answering people's questions in the chat. Bum, bum, bum. Bro, call me a scammer. You know what the fuck? Yo. Chill, bro. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that deep. Someone is just literally just asking me about it in the chat, so I'm just answering questions, man. Valnor Subas, thank you for the follow. Now, you know what, Squizzy? This guy, right? This guy asks a lot. He's always typing in the chat, and all he ever asks is, bro, will gold go up? Or he'll ask, where else? This guy is in my TikTok all the time asking for like signals, basically. Where will gold go? Will you buy gold? Will you sell gold? Where's gold gonna go from here? Like, he's always asking the same questions, bro. Yeah. Again, Viraj. Are we buying, boys? Yeah, so this guy just literally wants like me to just give him free signals all the time. Yo, appreciate the follows, guys. Khalil, Uran, Trade. Thank you for the follows. How's CPI? Yeah, CPI is coming up soon, guys. CPI is coming up soon. What app do you use to trade? In terms of my analysis, I use TradingView. In terms of entering trades, I use MT5, MetaTrader 5. Linsman, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Rajiv, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang, guys. Longs to 2360, says Paul. I mainly use mobile app, Squizzy, because usually I'm on the go. Usually I'm on the go. Yo, we got follows going through the roof right now. So I'm gonna turn these off because that noise is gonna drive me crazy. Jeffrey, Panesh, Chali, Josh, Adi, Leo, appreciate the follows, guys. Appreciate you. What? Thoughts on CPI today? So yeah, CPI coming up. We got you know, let's open Forex Factory again. So we got forecast price core CPI and CPI base point lowering by base point, obviously, and then we have 3.2 expected or forecasted to go up to 3.4. So I mean, it can go either way, right? I always say to my members, and always say to anyone asking in the chat, never try to predict, right? Always react. We can never really predict a news event such as CPI or NFP or inflation or interest rates. We just literally have to wait and see the data as the news comes out, and then react to the market after that. Cool, CLA, EAK, Frank, appreciate the follows. You guys are crazy. Buy gold now, says Kieran in the TikTok chat. Damn, followers non-stop. Yeah, this is what happens on TikTok, man. Like, out of nowhere, you have like 5 viewers, and now I've got like 90 viewers out of nowhere, and like everyone's following. That's why TikTok is crazy. Just follow you. Thank you, IMF. Appreciate that. Appreciate you guys, man. TikTok is going crazy right now. But yeah, I mean, you know, there's potential for price to continue here. If we're looking at the 4-hour time frame on gold, this 4-hour candle is looking very juicy. Lots of, well, not lots, but we got some rejections into these areas over here. 2360, right? This is a nice round level that gold is rejecting from. Right here, you can see 2360, 000, 3, taps into there. Now price is coming down. So this level right here that we're looking at, 2344729, it's actually holding price up quite nicely at the moment. If you have a look through here, we can see rejection, 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 support, support, support. So this is a key level in the market. We need to watch potentially on the 1 hour, right? You can see 1 hour tapping into this level right now. It doesn't look clean on the 1 hour, but the 4 hour you can see very cleanly these levels of structure. So, let's see. We've got 40 minutes left of this 1 hour candle. We could potentially see continuation down. The giveaway here, right? And this is what I always say: the giveaway, when you want to see a reversal in the market, you can see that price made highs and a higher low over here, right? So price is in uptrend here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see market structure being formed. Again, if we're looking at highs and lows, we see highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And now what's happened is price has come up and tried to make a new higher high over here, but has failed and has made a lower high, right? You can see this point in the market, a lower high. And so now if price starts to move down into these areas and starts breaking these levels down here, it's very clear that price is going to continue bearish, right? Very simple. So this is the giveaway, in my opinion. This is the giveaway right here that we could potentially get continuation sells. But again, of course, we have to break this level, 2344,682. 2344,682. And then that would validate the sells to the downside if we get a break below this level. So we just have to wait and see what happens here. Appreciate all the follows, guys. You guys are going crazy on TikTok. CPI buy. You just want to gamble your money right now, yo. Price doesn't want to break that recent low on the 5 minute, yeah, because of this key level right here. Natrio, Clip Champ, Yo, Delhi, Million Bibs, Mr. Hendricks, Kiki, thank you guys for the follows, appreciate you. Is it good to sell? I'm holding a buy right now, bro. Am I good? Where you in a buy from, user? If gold breaks below that level, I'm going to take an impulse sell, I believe. Okay. Okay. GBP AUD outlook. I don't trade GBP USD, Aiden. So I don't look at pairs that I don't trade, just so I can keep a clear mind on the pairs that I do trade. But I can happily give you an outlook on gold if you like. You make natural gas. I don't make natural gas. No, the earth does. But if you're asking if I trade it, no, I don't. I don't trade natural gas, man. What do you think about NAS? I don't trade NAS, my guy. Warinda, KedaiOnline.com. Thank you for the follows. S&P 500. Yeah, I only trade gold and GJ, guys. So these are the only pairs I look at. So I can keep a nice, clear, concise mind and have clarity in my trading, and not be overwhelmed with lots of different pairs. Sorry, guys. I got something in my throat right now. At Suko, thank you for the follow. 1, 2, 3 coming in with the 100 diamonds again. Holy, bro, you are crazy. What's wrong with you, man? The 100 diamonds, my guy. You're going crazy. Hand hearts. Yeah, bro. 1, 2, 3 dropped the... That's like what was it, like sunglasses yesterday? It's like 200 diamonds. Bro was going crazy yesterday. Bro must be making millions off his trading. Do you have an active trade for gold? No, I don't right now, Helen. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Appreciate you. What time frame? This is the 1 hour time frame, Adi. The 1 hour time frame. Yeah, the TikTok gets wild every now and then, Squizzy. Like some days it will just be teetering along like 15, 20 people. And then days like randomly like today, you just get like 100, 200 people. Kahi, Cancel, Muhammad, the Dembani, Ahmad. Thank you guys for the follows. Who match you think is gold go today? Telegram channel? You guys want the Telegram? I'll drop the Telegram, the free Telegram. Are you watching any price to enter? So yeah, we're waiting to see what happens around this support level, Helen. How would you confirm a break? I would wait for at least like a 1 hour 5-minute closure on there. Yo, 1 2 3, bro. Dropping the sunglasses again. Bro just dropped 300 diamonds in the space of a couple minutes, bro. Holy shit. Bro is loaded. You have to, yeah, there's a free Telegram. I just posted that there, guys, if you want the link. But the chat's moving quite fast right now, so you're gonna have to scroll up. World's most powerful crypto trading system. Okay. Can't delete that. But don't listen to that guy, guys. He's trying to scam you. Oh god. Gold gonna be a sell, I think. Yeah, potentially below this level. 2344693 ish. Yeah, 1 hour candle close beneath M-Lang, or 1 hour or at least a 5-minute if you're gonna look for a scalp. Because you can see price tapping into this level multiple times now, right? We got price tapping in over here. We got price tapping in a couple times over here. So if you get closure below, there's potential that it can drive down. There's a nice 38 or so pip range down to the next level down here. So yeah, it's a decent range to trade for sure. For sure. That TikTok algorithm is so crazy, unpredictable when it pops. Yeah. Yeah, TikTok does go crazy, man. Yeah. 1 2 3, bro, you're a legend. You're just dropping bombs right now and not saying anything in the chat, but I appreciate you, my guy. Appreciate you. Thank you for the follows, guys. David, Rehan, Al Sufri, D-Store, Hunty, Bond. Appreciate you guys. Hardsy. Appreciate you. What's the next range? Next range would be down at 2340, 827. That's a buy. Ooh, thank you, honey. I did not expect that. Nice cup of tea. Nice cup of tea from the wifey. That sounded spicy. What? How do you draw perfect zones? Just by looking at price action, sir. The cup has formed. The cup pattern, guys. I'm giving you signals right now. Look for the cup pattern on the chart. Wait for the handle to form. Mo, thank you for the follow. Are you looking for a sell if it breaks through the resistance level? This one right here, this support level, you mean? Potentially, yeah. But I mean, guys, we're literally like an hour away from inflation. So I would recommend not trading right now. That would be my recommendation to you guys. This audio track is unavailable. What do you mean? Sorry, guys, didn't realize we had no music. Just sitting here in silence. This is the 5-minute time frame, Fatima. Renato Santos, Pack, thank you for the follows. Cool, I agree with you. Yeah, boys and girls. CPR, right? Inflation is in 1 hour. Like, if you're going to be looking for trades right now, the reality is you're going to get messed around a little bit, right? You're probably going to get stuck in a bit of a range. Price, is going to wick you out and do crazy things. Also, spreads are going to start to get higher and higher the closer we get to CPI. So if you're in a trade with a tight stop loss, there's likelihood you're gonna get stopped out by spreads around the point when the news drops. Pips Balls, appreciate the follow. Cappuccino, thank you for the follow. What pair is this? This is gold, Dave Effects, gold. The Prince, thank you for the follow. Thank you for all the follows, guys. I can't keep with how many follows we got right now, but I appreciate you guys. When is the news? The news is in 1 hour, man. 1 hour. Do you think CPI number drop everything? We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see, man. I always say, right, never try to predict the market, just react, right? So let's wait for the numbers to drop, then we will react. We'll see what price is doing once CPI, once the inflation news drops, and then we'll react to the market after that. Yo, Haslim, thank you for the diamonds, my guy. Azim, appreciate you. Nimbus, what sound is spicy, bro? Is it hard when you first learn? Oh yeah, 100%. T, it's definitely hard when you first start trading. Ask anybody. Oh, you're an Arsenal fan. Very nice. Nice result for you guys this morning, right? Not really. You was at home. You probably wanted to win that game. I'm not gonna lie. Gold, yeah, this is gold. Let's hope for the best for gold. I'm going in full margin. Damn, son. Bro's going in full margin. Do you TP or trail your stops? Do I TP or trail my stops? What do you mean, Bradley? Like, I do trail my stops. What do you mean, do you TP or trail my stops? Okay, yeah, I understand what you're saying. Sorry. So do I set a take profit level, or do I trail my stops in profit? So when if it comes back down, it hits the stop loss, and then I take the profit. Is that what you're saying? Don't be scary today, Nimbus. I set take profit levels, but I also do trail stops as well on depending on this scenario. But I'll move stops to break even, things like that. Buy or sell? We're waiting for potential moves below 2344,723. William, thank you for the follow. Big, thank you for the follow. Kelly, 4PDF, thank you for the follow. Sunshop, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang, guys. You are doing great. How often do you go live? Monday to Friday, I'm live, guys. Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, I go live for London, New York session. Around 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Fresh meat. Bro, usually how many pips will CPI spike on the wick? Bro, it all depends, man. It depends. Depends on the data when it comes out. Whether it's the same, whether it's been increased, whether it's been decreased. It just depends once this news drops. And that's why I say, you know, to wait until we get the actual data, the actual numbers, before we make any decisions, right? Never predict, always react. Blind Cute, thank you for the follow. Lewis, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. Which Telegram is yours? Comes up with 3. Is yours the one with nearly 1,000 followers? Yeah, Matty. Yeah, nearly yeah, that's the one. That's mine. I can send a link if you want, just to be sure, so you're not joining any dodgy ones. But yeah, this is my Telegram. Telegram link in the chat, boys. Telegram link in the chat. Thanks for that. Never predict, always react. Yeah. Hi, no Google. Always, bro. Always. Trust me. What's up, Amos? Anak, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Literally just come in here, dropped 300 diamonds, and then just dipped. Didn't even say a word, bro. Or maybe he did, but I just didn't catch it because this chat's moving like crazy right now. The live's pumping tonight. Let's go. I know, preaching, bro. Halim, pray. Let's go. Thank you guys for the follows. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Do I buy some now? I would recommend buying right now. As you can see, guys, price is, you know, it's heading down. Quite simply put, right? Very basically, price is currently heading down. Before you want to look for buys, you want to start seeing, you know, you got some resistance in here. You want to start seeing a move to the upside, nice pullback, a continuation, right? Then you can start looking for buys above key levels up here. But until we see, you know, this downtrend kind of reversing, then I would only look for sales, right? And you can look for sell continuations below 2344715 or below 2340901 or even below 2337009. What's up, Insane? How are you, man? Insane COD M1, what's up? Iris, Mova, Pato Jules, thank you guys for the follow. What stock are you in? This is gold. Yeah, this is gold. I would recommend placing a buy below that support structure. 60 pips below that support, okay. So Forex Trading, how to use. If you're brand new to trading, then definitely Google it, YouTube it, learn the basics. And if not, show up to the stream every day and we'll teach you slowly. You trading CPI? Yeah, we're going to watch CPI. XAU, this is gold, no fear. This is gold. Please answer, what was your question? If buy and sell on the same spot and put stop loss 5 pips, both of them, you think it's work on CPI? You're talking about buy and sell stops, Josh? Yo, Silver Surfer, thank you for the sub on YouTube, my guy. Appreciate you. Let's go. Let's go. If everyone in the TikTok chat right now comes over to YouTube and subscribes, then I'll drop my indicator link for all you guys for free right now. But I want to see a minimum of 100 people in the YouTube chat right now. Yeah, same. So Josh, you want to put buy and sell stops 5 pips either side on CPI? I mean, yeah, I mean, try it, bro. Try it. How's today trade go? Oh, I didn't trade today, Bradley. I don't trade on days when there's high impact news like this CPI, NFP, inflation, you know, interest rates, things like that. I just decide to stay out of the markets, protect my capital, you know. All right, let me check the YouTube. Let's see if we get 100 subscribers on the YouTube channel right now. Then I'll drop my indicator for free for everybody. So we're currently at 3,102, I think. Let's go. We're getting people over from the TikTok. I see you guys. I see you guys. All right. So we're on 3,127. If we get 3,227, then I'll drop it for you guys right now. Yo, we got Why You Ask with the rose. Appreciate you. Yo, we're getting the subs coming in right now. Yo, Seiji, what are you saying? Buy or sell? Potential sales, bro. Potential sales below levels down here. 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 7. JM07. What's happening? Matthew Foster came from the TikTok. Let's go. Appreciate you. Silver Server came from the TikTok as well. Let's go. Been spending about 8 hours a day at the charts over the last week or two since I started learning. I feel like I learn more by watching your stream. So thank you. I appreciate that, Squizzy. I appreciate that a lot, man. My guy. Let's go, Squizzy. I appreciate you being here, bro. That's all I asked for, you know? That's all I asked for, man. Also, any tips how I can actually make more progress when watching the charts? I'm not sure if I told you this already, Squizzy. I might have showed it to somebody else, but like I always say to people, right? Whenever you see certain moves in the market, for example, if I was to mark up, you know, this right here, you see a nice move right here. We actually caught this in the academy, right? We caught this from here. So we caught this whole move up. I think I caught it up to here somewhere. So whenever you see moves like this, understand why it try to understand why it happens and how you can enter a trade like this, right? How you can get in the markets when price moves like this. Look on different time frames, right? Mark it up from the start of the move to the end of the move. Look on the 1 hour, look on the 4 hour, look on the daily, and try to understand why this move happened and how you can get into this move, right? And that's gonna improve your trading by you know, a lot. All right, we got a few subs. We got a few subs coming through on the YouTube. Nowhere near enough though. We still need like 90 subs on the YouTube. If you guys want the indicator. Bradley Matt, thank you for the sub. Wait, wasn't you subbed already? Steph Maj, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Appreciate you. Hope I'm saying your name correctly. That move destroyed my capital. Are you talking about that bullish move that I was just showing, Steph? I've just dislocated my shoulder recently, so I'll be able to... Oh, okay. Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. I hope you're feeling alright. Oh, that's high no Google. Let's go, Steph. No way he took a trade right now. Who? Me? I'm not in any trade right now. Or you're talking about the other guy. Head and shoulders forming on the 5 minute. TikTok, appreciate all the follows, man. Samuel, Zerk, Poji, Anna. Appreciate you guys. Weasley, Dominoes, Alpana, Empolo, let's go. What's up, Alpana? Do you have consistent stop loss? Like you always set a stop loss at the same amount each trade? Not necessarily preaching. No, the stop loss always changes depending on the setup. CPI news, buy or sell? Both, my guy. Do you not know? Buy and sell stops for CPI. I was expecting a sell there. Yeah, so we basically took this buy, Seth, just based on trend continuation. Literally, if we just zoom out here on gold, like gold has been going crazy, right? Even on the 5 minute time frame here, just insane move to the upside. So we just took that trade based on trend continuation. All the members called it as well. Like I didn't even call this trade out to any of the members, but all the members caught this themselves, right, based on the strategy. So that was actually really awesome to see. But yeah, we just took that based on trend continuation. Yeah, see, I find it so difficult when looking at it in hindsight because I know what's going to happen. It affects how I read the charts and look at signals. Yeah, 100%, Squizzy. It's always going to be like that, right? Like in hindsight, you always do this and you always do that. But you back test, you see the data, you see, you know, the setup, how you could have got in, and certain moves, and then you apply it forward testing, right? You apply it on live charts and see how it performs. Do you trade when it's ranging in a zone? Oh no, I'll never trade when price is ranging within a zone. This is why I trade breakouts, PJ. So whenever you trade breakouts, you will never get stuck in ranges like this, right? Or like this. You'll be in these moves right here, right? Once price breaks out of those levels, that's when you want to be in the market. This is why I trade breakout trading. So if we get a break underneath this level, there's a possibility that price then will continue bearish down to the next level, and so on and so forth. Appreciate all the follows, guys. Appreciate all the love, all the diamonds in the TikTok chat. You guys are crazy. Apple, Carrot, Dada, Makari, Shiv, Lonely. Appreciate you guys. Master Plan. Appreciate you guys. Time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, but Squizzy, like, you know, breakout trading, I feel, is the most consistent, because you're just given a set amount of data, right? You know, once you draw your levels out, you know exactly all you're waiting for is a break below this level, and you're going to ride it down to the next level. That's all you're waiting for, right? And it's obviously it's based on, you know, I take into consideration like daily 4-hour time frames. But in the end, you're just following a trend. You're following momentum. You're waiting for a specific point in time. So the pre-learning session. And you know that volume is going to come in that session. So if you get a breakout during the pre-learning session, you know it's going to be a decent move, right? A high volume move. And I feel like that's, you know, it's probably the most consistent way to trade, in my opinion. Let's have a look. How are we doing on the subs over here on the YouTube channel? We only gained like 8 subs, guys. If you guys want the indicator for free, then come over to the YouTube channel and sub. Break and retest, then no, just a breakout, BJ. Just a breakout. Once price closes below a level, right? So for example, you can see we got this key level right here. You can see this key level support. Once price breaks out on the 5-minute right here, so you can see this is the candle that breaks out, right? You would enter once this next candle breaks the lows of that breakout candle, right? So you would enter on this candle right here, probably like a couple pips below that candle low. You'd put your stops above that candle high somewhere, and you will target the next level 1 to 1 or the next level 1 to 2, whatever you wanted to do. Move stops to break even once you start moving into profit, and that is a breakout trade. Simple as that. The key thing is though, finding your key levels. And using the 4-hour as your complements, because the 4-hour time frame is a very, very powerful, beneficial time frame that I see a lot of people don't capitalize on. So yeah, 4-hour match with the daily and match with the 5-minute for entries, you know, is very powerful. Do you wait for candle to close to finish before? Yeah. You wait for the candle to close. You wait for the breakout candle to close. And then you wait for the next candle after the breakout candle to break that breakout candle low or high if it's a buy. And then you enter. How do you find your key levels? Just price action. Just looking at where price is reacting to. You can see over here, you know, in this level right here, we got support that was formed. We have resistance over here. You can see price reacting to this level a lot in all different scenarios. And different points in the market, and you know, as long as prices rejecting within that range, you know, to a certain extent, you know, you can imagine a support level like this, maybe, right? Not necessarily just the line, but you can see price reacts within this level, you know, very often. So I just draw the line there or thereabouts. But I do show specific ways to get very accurate levels in the academy. In which minute? This is the 5-minute. 5-minute. Alan sent a finger heart. Very nice. 5 diamonds. Appreciate that, Alan. Very generous of you. Thank you very much. You are in? No, I'm not in anything. Master Kitchen, thank you for the follow. Yala, thank you for the follow. David DC, thank you for the follow. Do I have a website? Yeah, the link is in my profile, legend. All-time low or high bracket, how to enter the market. All-time high or low bracket, I'm not sure what you mean by that question. I'm in a sell. Should I close? Saluis. That is completely up to you, my guy. You entered the trade. You have the analysis. You have the strategy, the trading plan, the risk management plan. In order for you to take this trade, so you need to follow that. Do you do it? Do you do it a limit order or market after waiting? Sometimes I do buy and sell stop squizzy, and sometimes I just enter enter market execution. It just depends. Do you set alerts when break? Yeah, I set alerts, Catherine. So for example, if I'm waiting for price to for example come up here and break this level, I'll just boom, right click, add alert here, right? And then it will come up, and I'll just do that. And then once that alert gets triggered, then I'll come back to my computer, to my setup, and then I'll start looking for positions. But I'll never sit at the charts like this and just watch price like I do when I'm streaming, right? I just set alerts and then walk away, go spend some time with my daughter, with my family, and whatever it is that I do, eat some food. And then once these alerts get triggered, then I'll come back to the charts. I can't find XAU/USD on my MT4. I only see gold. Potentially, Francisco. It should be XAU/USD though, because it may be like gold futures or something that you see on your broker. But usually it's under XAU/USD. But which broker are you using, Francisco? On 5 minute, so 5 minutes time frame, that's better for entry when waiting for candles to close past key level, but you use 4 hour and 1 hour for confluence. Yeah, I use the 4 hour for confluence. I don't use the 1 hour for confluence. I use, if I don't get an entry on the 5 minute, for example, if you see price playing around a key level like this on the 5 minute time frame, right? On the 5 minute, you're not going to be able to get an entry here, but on the 1 hour time frame, you're going to get a much clearer entry potentially, right? So if I can't catch an entry here on the 5 minute because of rangy price action, then I'll go up to the 1 hour and look for a 1 hour entry. And you don't understand how confluence works. So basically confluence is just, if I'm looking for sells from the daily, right, then I want the 4 hour to line up. That's going to give me confluence, right? If the daily's bearish and the 4 hours bearish, that's confluence that, you know, there's a potential bearish move that can happen. Thank you. Same here. I can't always monitor. Yeah, exactly. That's why I do it. You know, I've got a young daughter. She's, you know, 16 months old. She's very active. You know, I have a family. I can't just sit here all day watching the 5 minute time frame waiting for a setup to form. So I set alerts and I come back to the charts when those alerts get triggered. I'm using Flowbank as you're in Switzerland. Okay, yeah, I'm not too sure, Francisco. Usually is XAU/USD, but it could be that it's gold on that broker. Maybe just contact support on the broker and ask them if they do, you know, gold, XAU/USD, CDFs or whatever it is, right? Just make sure you double check that. Also, one way you can check it is check the price on gold right now, which is 2347660, and check the gold price on your broker, right? And if it matches, then it's gonna be the same thing pretty much. How will news affect gold? It will affect it massively, Ryan. We'll see a huge spike in liquidity, in volume, and you'll see a massive move take place when price drops. Would you say it's looking like a head and shoulders trade? He's talking about this right here, preaching on the 5 minute. Thanks, just sub to your channel. Yo, appreciate that, Francisco, my guy. Thank you, I appreciate that. Appreciate all the love on the YouTube channel, guys. Doesn't look like you're gonna get this indicator. Boom, 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 boom. So we was at 3,127. We've only got like we got 8 followers. 8 subscribers on YouTube. So Yeah, we need 100 if you want to get the indicator. If only they knew the power of the indicator. Exactly, Nimbus. Exactly. If only. The price matches Francesco, then yeah, it should be the same thing. They're missing out. This indicator is fire. Yeah, you think so, Squizzy? Hello from Indonesia. What's happening? What's happening? Welcome, everyone. Where's everyone from in the chat? Where's everyone from? Let me know where you guys are from. I want to see. Malaysia, Nigeria, Australia, Brunei, Essex, Uganda, Denmark, Ireland. A couple of people from Brunei, Bali, Indonesia. More people from Nigeria, Antarctica. Wait, preaching, you're from Antarctica, bro. Jamaica, Thailand, Uganda, Birmingham. Matthew, you from Birmingham? We got New Zealand, South Africa. Matthew came from the TikTok. Kenya, South Africa, Somalia. Oh, I was gonna say preaching. Kuala Lumpur, Puchong, Sri Lanka. A couple of people from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Leeds, Western Cape, Cape Town, Wakanda, Malaysia, Albania. Shit, we got people from everywhere in here. Kenya, Latvia. Yeah, Matthew, I'm originally from Birmingham as well. Philippines, Iceland. Let's go. Namibia. Yeah, we're literally global right now, boys. We're global. Multicultural. Wait, you're talking about Birmingham, UK, yeah? Not Birmingham, Alabama. Tokyo, let's go. What's happening? What's happening in Tokyo? Thailand. The Congo. Shit, man. We got everybody in here. Guys, listen. If we all buy gold right now with a minimum of 5 lot size, we can move the market and we can all become millionaires. I'm joking. I'm joking. Do not buy gold right now. Do not buy gold. We got an army of people in here right now, though. What is this for a zone? I'm waiting for someone to say they live in the Isle of Man. Oh, you're from Birmingham, UK? Yeah. So I lived in when I lived there, I haven't lived in England for like 15 years now. But when I lived there, I lived in Erdington, Sutton Coldfield, King's Standing, like a couple of different areas I lived in while I was in England. But I grew up there basically, and then my parents immigrated to over this part of the world. Just bought a 10 lot. Yo, chill. You top global? Let's go. Am I really? Drop now, doing base high CPI. What trade will you take on that chart right now? So right now we've got inflation news in about half an hour. So my recommendation for everybody in here, and I hope that everybody will listen to me, is that to stay out of the market for the next 30 minutes, right? Until we see CPI news, then then we can take a look at the charts afterwards. But for now, I highly recommend not trading. Yeah, we got Sweden in here as well. Let's go. That's 5 minutes. Oh, nice, bro. Yeah. But yeah, I'm in Australia now, man. I haven't been back to the UK for a long time, unfortunately. Which sucks because all my family's there, but What's up, Pineapple? CPI news could literally take us to 2005. Yeah, like we could see May. I mean, we're literally hitting all-time highs like this week right over here. But we could see some major all-time highs being printed today, potentially, depending on the news. I wouldn't bet against it. Where do you find the news? You can get it straight from TradingView. Who asked that? Joe. You can get it straight from TradingView right here. You can see all the news pops up. Inflation, core inflation, core inflation, inflation. So we've got month and year. Or you can go to Forex Factory. It's a site that I use. There's different sites, but I use Forex Factory. Yeah, there's a few different places you can go for the news. $0.4, yeah. So you think it's going to be 0.4? You think, yeah, that would mean that they haven't changed it, right? They're going to keep it the same. 3.8. Did you get scammed? Did who get scammed? Who got scammed? Yeah, 100%, Matthew. I love Australia, man. I love Australia. I pretty much call this place my home now. I haven't been back to England in so long that I would consider this like pretty much my home at this point. When I first got traded, did I get scammed out of money? No. I did buy a couple of different courses when I first started trading to learn the ropes, but I didn't get scammed, no. I lost a lot of money for sure, blowing accounts. But yeah, I didn't get scammed, I don't think. Lambo? Who's talking about Lambos? What did you say? England is a shit. Oh, don't come back. Yeah. I mean, I've been seeing the videos, man. I've been seeing videos online and stuff like that country. That country is a mess, man. People need to... I mean, I'm not going to say too much about it, but... I'll take risk 40% for this news. You're going full margin, Lonely Star. Full margin buys. What's your time frame? This time frame is the 5 minute. Yo, for all you guys in the YouTube channel that came over to the YouTube channel and subscribed, you know what? I'll bless you guys with the indicator. If you guys in the TikTok chat want the indicator link, then come over to the YouTube chat right now and subscribe. I'm gonna drop it right now when it loads. Just because I'm feeling generous, you know. It's an indicator based off of a strategy that I use, Apple, that I made myself, coded myself in TradingView. I want to see some subs though before I drop it, guys. I want to see some subs, all right? Where is it? Oh, I didn't mean to add it to my chart. Thank you very much. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. All right, there's the link, boys. There's the link. The link is in the YouTube chat. If you want the indicator, go over there right now. The link is in my TikTok profile. The indicator is based off a price action pattern. It's called, I like to call it the type 3 counter pattern. Yo, Sebastian, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Appreciate you. Join from your TikTok live. I'm good, Shane. How are you, man? Yo, Sumshan Moodley, thank you for the follow, the sub. I'm used to saying follow on TikTok. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Wow, man. From TikTok, let's go. We're here for the indicator. Let's go, Tom. But yeah, the indicator is based off a price action strategy. So guys, what you want to do when you click that link, you add it to your favorites. You scroll down, you add it to your favorites, and then it will appear in your indicators section on your trading view right here in the favorite section, right? So this is where you'll find it in the favorite section. But yeah, it's based off a candle pattern. I would recommend trading it on like the like, you know, the 15-30 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. I wouldn't necessarily recommend using it below that unless you have a solid strategy on those lower time frames where you can use the indicator as complements. Then you can use it on those lower time frames. But if you're just going to use the indicator alone to trade, then use it on the high time frames. What do indicators do? Like, do that? Did that tell you which way? Yeah, basically preaching. It gives you a buy or sell signal. Let's go WDM. Appreciate you coming over to the YouTube. Realistically, as a user of it, it gives you a high probability chance of where market might push or pull. Use it with your analysis for max effect. Yeah. So guys, 100% use it with your analysis, right? Use the indicator with your analysis, with your strategy as a complement, right? It's going to give you buy and sell signals, but you don't necessarily just take all of the buy and sell signals. You use it as complements in your own strategy. So yeah, I appreciate that comment, Nimbus. But all you guys on the TikTok, if you want to come over to the YouTube channel, the indicator is posted in the YouTube chat. The link is in my TikTok profile. But I appreciate all the follows on TikTok. Yo, the TikTok is blowing up right now. We've had 457 new followers on the TikTok. You guys are crazy. What do you think for XAU on CPI? We're just gonna have to wait and see, bro. I don't like to predict. I like to react, right? So whenever I'm trading, I try not to predict the markets and try and, you know, I try and just react when price moves between my certain levels. I'll react and look for my trades then. Steve Biko, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Use the indicator a lot. Yeah, I use the indicator. It's my own indicator preaching. It's based off my strategy. TikTok really popping off. Yeah, it is, man. It is pure pressure. Gold is messed up at the moment. Yeah, GMV. Gold is messed up right now because we have CPI news in literally 23 minutes. There's no link on YouTube. Yeah, realist. It's in my profile, bro. You know what? I'll just share it. I'll just share it in the chat if you guys want it. If you guys want the indicator, there's my YouTube link. Come over to the YouTube and the indicator's in the chat. Thank you guys for the subs on YouTube. Renew HQ. Preaching, you know, I don't mind as long as people are, you know, interacting with the stream and subbing up to the YouTube channel, you know, and leaving likes and shit. Then I'll happily, you know, share things with you guys. What is that clicking noise? I've heard that 2 streams in a row now. There's like a clicking noise. It must be to do with TikTok. But I have no idea what it is. Post it again, the YouTube. You guys want the YouTube again? What's up, filler? Sal 2361 to 2363. See, there's that clicking noise again. What is that? Oh, is it Is it this? I have no idea what it is, man. I have no idea. It was PNG, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. New all-time highs tonight, potentially. Ellen? Oh, I'm terrible at pronouncing names. Mike, 1930. Do you think CPI will make the entire market rise or fall? We'll have to wait and see, bro. We'll have to wait and see. We do not predict, we react. What is everyone doing for CPI? Yeah, we're just going to wait for CPI news, see what happens. Your mouse? Nah, it's not my mouse. It's not my mouse, man. I don't know what it is. It's coming from my speaker on my computer. It must be something to do with Forex Factory, maybe. Or maybe something to do with TikTok, but yeah. I don't know where that clicking noise is coming from. How many people are attending Gold's barbecue party? Win-win all around, yeah. That's what I mean. As long as people are, you know, subbing to the YouTube and liking and shit, I'm happy to drop whatever you guys need. It's the news, yeah, news. News is, this is 100% why gold is consolidating right now, right? You can see it, even though it's the 5-minute time frame. It's consolidating. So literally price is just waiting for news right now. We've got 20 minutes. How do I add the indicator? HK. So you open the link from above. You open the link, you scroll down, you add it to your favorites, and then in TradingView you go over here to indicators, and it will be under favorites right here. Forex with Cody, Algo Volume 2. In this situation, I think we're going to wait for a breakout, then we sell it. Yeah, 100%. Professor Fang, Chris, 100%, bro. I 100% agree with that. Are we leaning towards sell or buy? We just have to wait for the data to drop, bro. When is the news today? The news is in 20 minutes, GNF. News is in 20 minutes, bro. Can't seem to find it in my favorites. Does it need to be paid? No, I don't think so. There's that clicking noise again. Again, twice. What is that? Bro, that's driving me crazy. That is driving me crazy. What is that? It's Forex Factory. Yeah, it's Forex Factory. You can't find it in your favorites. Did you add it to your favorites, Tom? Yeah, like when you clicked on the link, add it to your favorites. It's happening now a lot. As soon as you mention, you can hear it as well. Yeah, it's coming from. So I have no idea where it's coming from. There it is again. I genuinely do. I have no idea where that's coming from. Genuinely. Mute. Maybe if I mute this, maybe it's coming from Forex Factory. What does your indicator do? It's a price action indicator. Where's the indicator? Scroll above. I might have to post it again. I'll post it one more time. It's coming from TradingView, is it? Is that where it's coming from, Sally? What is it then? Where? How do I stop it? I've never heard this sound before. Oh, TradingView chat, is it? I see. I've never heard that sound before. I don't know why it's all of a sudden just started coming out. All right, we got about 15 minutes. 15 minutes until the news. I didn't really plan on staying for the news, but you know what? We're pretty much here now. So you got it, Tom. How did you? What changed? Did you just have to like refresh the page or something? I can just copy and paste the link from up here, can't I? What am I doing? All right, so I'm going to post the indicator link one more time in the chat on YouTube if you guys want to come over. All right, Squizzy, no worries, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, Squizzy, my guy. What do you do after the indicators on the chart? So do you see the signals coming up preaching? And everyone in the YouTube chat sub now. Yes, my guy. Yes, preaching. I appreciate you, bro. Everyone listen. Sorry, Squizzy. Everyone listen to Squizzy. So basically, yeah, it's giving you an indication of where price could potentially be heading. Preaching. So this is why I said it's best to use it in confluence with your own strategy. Nimbus put it quite perfectly. Let me. Oh yeah, he already said that to you. So use it with your analysis for the max effect, right? This is gold, Professor Fang. This is gold. What do I think will happen? Long or short? I try not to predict, bro. So I'll wait for the news to drop, and you know we'll see what happens. But yeah, preaching. Use it as a confluence within your strategy if you have a strategy. If you don't, then I can potentially hook you up with a video on how I use it. But yeah, just use it in confluence with your strategy. Use it as an indication of where price could be heading, because it's based off a price action candle pattern, a type 3 candle pattern. So it's going to give you like a bias of where price could be heading. So a good rule of thumb is to go onto the 4-hour time frame. Go onto the 4-hour time frame, wait for the signals to appear on the 4-hour time frame. Then that's going to give you a higher time frame bias of looking at the charts going, okay, so from the 4-hour, I've got a sell signal. It's looking like it's bearish. Let's go down to the 1 hour or the 5 minute and look for entries, right? So that is one way you can do it. David Luck, thank you for the sub on YouTube. I appreciate you. Welcome to the YouTube gang. What's up, Bernice? I just want to start trading. Okay. How much experience do you have? What is your time frame? This is the 5-minute time frame. You're like a week into trading? Okay. So yeah, I mean, I can hook you up with a video on how to use it for sure. Buy or sell? We're waiting for CPI news right now. But there. Waiting for CPI. That drops in about 13 minutes. We're going to see how the market reacts, and then we're going to go from there. 13 minutes left and you're already sweating. Do you see any sweat? How to find a mentor? Find somebody you resonate with. Find someone you like, or you know, you like their strategy, or you like how they are sounding or teaching or whatever it may be. Yeah, there's lots of different people around. New subscriber, let's go DS. How do I know when it's activated? It will be in your favorites section, WMCG. So go into TradingView, go to indicators right here at the top. Go to your favorites tab and you'll see it in there. Why my APK can't entry? What do you mean? Why can't you entry? Maybe because of the spreads are so high right now. Actually, let me check my Let me check my spreads. Oh no, they're not that high at the moment. Yo, Nayo CSP, thank you for the rose. Appreciate you. What does spread do? Spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price, and basically, it's just the difference when you enter from where price is and where you actually enter. Low spread is very good if you get an account with low spread. That's what I always recommend, finding a raw spread account, because then you're not going to get, you know, you're not going to get stopped out if you have a very high spread account. You know, if price actually doesn't hit your stop loss, but you have high spread, then it's going to hit your stop loss, things like that. Is the indicator Forex Liquidity Algo version 2? Yeah, that's the indicator. I assume price go down a bit, potentially. How does nobody see you as a potential mentor? I don't know, Nimbus. I mean, some of these people are just literally coming onto the TikTok, scrolling through. They've never seen me before. So, Christopher, thank you for the bros. Did I say that? Appreciate you, Christopher. Can you be my mentor? There you go, Nimbus. I could be your mentor for sure. Make sure you check my YouTube channel, check my Instagram, check my TikTok. If you like, you know, if you think you vibe with me and whatever, then we can have a chat. Is price going to go up or down? I'm not sure. We have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait and react to the news, right? Don't try to predict, just react. Nods in approval. There we go. Yo, Banzai, thank you for the friendship necklace. Appreciate that, man. 10 diamonds. Follow you already. So have you checked out all my socials, Bernice? Hopefully it doesn't act up like NFP. Oh, 100% is going to, Neka. Neka, I hope I said your name right. Marlon, thank you for the follow. Lee Cam, thank you for the follow. Alfie Jake, thank you for the follows, guys. Appreciate you. Let's wait first for the news. Don't get in a hurry. Yeah, 100%, guys. We're literally 9 minutes away from CPI. Do not try to trade right now, for sure. Damn, you got a lot of viewers, I know. We're at 300 viewers over on the TikTok. Insane. 300 people in the TikTok chat right now. We must be like front page. Dun, dun, dun. So indicator assumes it will go up in the 15 but down on the 4th. Yeah, so exactly, Thomas. So that's why you have to wait for confluence, right? Wait for the 15 to line up with the 4, or wait for the 1 hour to line up with the 4. Can you be my mentor? WDM? For sure, bro. For sure. Nearly said something else. I know, bro. Yo, preaching. Did you hear that? When I said that, I was like, yo, am I getting trolled right now? What time frame do I use? This is the 5 minute, but I use the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 5 minute time frame. In 9 minutes, I think it's going to break out on the downside and sell. I mean, yeah, potentially. Can I chat to you in TikTok? Yeah, send me a message on TikTok. Send me a message on TikTok, Bernice, for sure. Gabo 1%, thank you for the follow. Harry Alex, thank you for the follow. What currency? This is gold. This is gold. How'd you get so many views only? I have no idea, Haringad. I have no idea, bro. It's TikTok. It's TikTok, bro. I have no idea. But, like, you know, I'm enjoying it. Janet, thank you for the follow. Simon, thank you for the follow. Are we buying or selling? We're waiting for CPI news, my guy, in 7 minutes. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see a pretty big move happen right here, in the next 7 minutes for sure. Harringad, thank you for the rose. Always sending love, my guy. Appreciate you. I have the indicator, but it's still the same, no difference in the trade environment. What do you mean? WDM. What did he say, Breach? Yeah. I'm not gonna repeat it. Car is looking fresh. Did I miss something? What do you mean, Thomas? Oh, 100%, Thomas. Your tax would, if you're working full time and trading profitably, your tax is gonna go crazy. But it depends on what country you are. If you don't take any realized profit out, if you don't actually take it out of your account, then it doesn't get taxed in some countries, I believe, like America. But in Australia, it doesn't matter if you take it out of your account or not. It gets taxed no matter. So, you know. How do we catch the move? You don't really. You can gamble and try and catch the move if you want by setting buy and sell stops during CPI, but I wouldn't recommend it. What about CPI? CPI is in 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. It's very close. Let's just say it was close to saying Nigeria. Yeah, I'm in Australia. Going in by full margin? Sheesh. Do you avoid tax? Hell no, I do not avoid tax. You gotta be dumb if you try and avoid tax. That is the dumbest shit you can do, especially in like a country like Australia. You're gonna get effed bad by the tax man. Please, bro. What's up, Harry? What's up, my guy? I chat you in TikTok message. Okay, I'll check that, Bernie. So I'll check that for sure. I'll check that for sure. I'm from Malaysia. Okay. How does indicator work? It's based off a candle pattern pull. A price action candle pan. Oh, hell no, Nimbus. Hell no. I'll never, ever. I'll never say that. Do you trade break of structures? J Slicks. I trade breakouts of key levels. Yeah. Breakout structure. Is gold going to make new time high based on your knowledge? Potentially, bro. I mean, during CPI, gold can make a crazy move. So we can potentially see all-time highs being printed again here above these levels. From when was this from? This was from Tuesday last week. No, this was yesterday, sorry. I'm on the 5-minute time frame, I forgot. But yeah, guys, brace yourselves. 3 minutes. I'm interested in it. Interested in what, Harry? Sorry, the chat is moving extremely fast. So you're interested in, can you teach me how to trade? Oh, yeah, for sure, Harry, for sure. Send me a message. Send me a message on TikTok, bro. Your YouTube, same name with you. Yes, my YouTube name is Forex with Cody. If you guys want to join the YouTube live stream as well and check out my channel, the link is in the chat right now. I'll spam it up for you guys. What happens in 3 minutes? Javi news, CPI news, inflation news on the US dollar. It's a high impact news event. Can you teach me trading? Renex, for sure. Send me a message. Send me a DM, bro. Cody, you end up checking over. Yeah, I did. And yeah, it wasn't a thing. The 1 to 150 leverage wasn't a thing. What's up, Bernice? Welcome to the YouTube chat. Thank you for the sub, Bernice. Appreciate you. I'll definitely check out your message after the stream today. 1 minute 30 seconds, guys. 1 minute 30 seconds. Yeah. NECA. Yeah, exactly. For those asking buy or sells, he has said wait for the news. I'm preaching. I don't want to hear nothing about nothing, bro. There was some truth to it preaching, but yeah, it's not. Yeah. All right, guys. 50. So watch out for your spreads now, guys. Watch out for your spreads. This is a gold chart. I can't join your channel. What, my YouTube channel? All right, boys. Get ready. Boys and girls, sorry. Boys and girls. Bam. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. There we go. Damn. Damn. There we have it, guys. That is inflation. Dude in the chat said it's just a spike. just a small spike, guys. Nothing to worry about here. A small spike of 170 pips in 20 seconds. Buy the dip. Scroller said buy the dip. Yeah, I hope nobody's in buys right now. Can you teach me how to start from beginning? Yeah, for sure, Bernice. What would be your entry after big move upwards? There's no big move upwards. I'm interested to learn. Send me a message. Mikkel? Rajab? Sorry, I'm bad at pronouncing names. I'm bad. Barbecue accounts, I smell it. Yeah, that's inflation for you guys. That's inflation. So there we go. GJ looking like a tasty buy. Yeah, that's what happens, Joseph. That's why, this is why I say do not trade during, inflation, interest rates, NFP, because you get a very similar move. And you can see price just consolidating in here, right? So you can imagine there's people right now that were in buys, based on, price, this kind of rejection here, price rejecting a support, whatever. And people are like, oh yeah, this is going to go up. And then they just got smacked. They got absolutely smacked. I lost a lot of money while trading news, not recommended. Exactly, Renex, exactly. This is why we just stay out of the markets during news events like this and come back another day. See you later, preaching. Appreciate you, bro. YouTube has delay? Does YouTube channel have delay? Have you seen the message I sent you? I'll check after the stream, Harry. I'll check after the stream, bro. Yeah, Delhi. That's also another problem. Because of such a big move and high spreads during that time, most people will get slipped. So even if they did have a sell entry right here, they'd probably get slipped into the sell all the way down here because of spreads, right? That happens. It's very, very regular that these things happen. So it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. Surely it will come back up though, long term wise. Probably, yeah. Eventually, I would say it will, but look at this. This is relentless right now. Like, I don't even have enough room on my screen to fit this in. What is this? 221 pips. CPI smashed it. Yeah, patient dogs eat the fattest meal. But yeah, guys. Can I sell right now? Davey, you want to sell right now, broski? Like, if you sell right now, where's your stop loss going to be? If you want to take a sell down here, the only logical stops are going to be all the way up here above like this level, right? That is a 223 pip stop potentially. Like, there's no reason to sell right now. But look, we're tapping into some levels. I've got a level down here. What is this? 2329293. Let's see how price reacts at this level right here. I'm in a buy from 38. Can you tell me if gold will go up from 38? You're in a buy from here? $238. What's up, Harangad? What's happening, bro? How much do you put in per trade again? What, like, you talking risk? I always trade from 1 to 5% risk. But I recommend new traders trading from 1 to 2%. This is gold. Like money, a percentage of my account, bro. So it's all it changes, right? It will change from, it doesn't matter what I put into a trade, because it's not going to be the same that you put into a trade. You should just go off percentages of your account. But you know, from anywhere from 700 to 2,000. No, I don't have a funded account. What just happened? CPI, Francisco. CPI. Inflation. USD inflation. But yeah, it looks like this level right here on gold is holding. This level that I had down here. 2329293. What is RSI? Relative Strength Index. Thomas. Relative Strength Index. I'm pretty sure it measures, RSI measures, that's a tool that people use for like divergence and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure. Why don't you trade a funded account? I don't need to. I have my own capital to trade. And plus, I don't trust these funded prop firms at all. How do I get my levels? Just looking back at price action. You can see this level over here, right? This level that price is tapping into. You just look over to the left, you can see that it's a resistance over here. Price is playing within that level right here. If we check this one, we can see you have to think about these zones of a much larger zone rather than just these singular lines, right? When you're thinking about zones, you got to think about the, you know, the broader spectrum of potentially the highs down into the body lows down here. But I just put these levels on as, you know, an average. How to top up our wallets? What do you mean, Bernice? You're talking crypto? See you later, Joseph. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Just made a quick £114. Shit. By taking sales here? Oh, no, I won't trade tonight, Harangad. I won't trade tonight. I don't trade during high impact news like this. I just stay out of the markets completely. Just made 2K on UJ. Let's go, Chris. Yeah, Chris. I 100% agree with Chris, right? If you're going to trade, wait for at least 30 minutes after news. And then trade, right? Once it's settled down a little bit, price action's kind of settled down, then you know, trade after that. But right now, like, you know, news only dropped 10 minutes ago. Just wait a little bit. The YouTube is delayed. Is it really? Guys, is the YouTube delayed? Let me go see this. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be delayed. No, it's not. The YouTube's not delayed. You're gonna have to just drag your slider to the absolute front. But like, watch. I'll put my hand up. It's delayed by like what, 5 seconds? That's just natural though. That delays what YouTube puts on their live streams like naturally. You can't change that. Yeah, Harangad, that's you can set the speed 2 times. That'll push it further than the bar will go. Okay. I literally got wiped out on your USD because of CPI. I was in a short since this morning. Dang, I should. Yeah, well, Francisco, we've been talking about CPI all the stream, man. But yeah, this is why I don't trade during these kind of news events, because you can get clapped. You can get clapped pretty easy. How many people in the YouTube? 34 currently, I think. It's more than 5 minutes behind. It's only a few seconds delayed. You just gotta maybe just refresh it, refresh the stream, or pull the slider to the front. But yeah, looks like, guys, price rejected that level that I had just to the T. Look at that, literally to the T. Boom, reversed. 2329, 261, very nice. Now price is continuing bullish. Bum, bum, bum. Must have a account. Hi Barney, what's up? I'm buying 80 pips now, running very nice pips balls. Made $6 on my $10 account. Let's go, WD. All good now? Yeah, nice. I was gonna say, yeah, maybe just refresh and things like that, because I don't know. I know YouTube does put a delay on their streams, like a slight delay, like a few seconds maybe. But what we do now, I'm about to head off soon. WD. I was just here to watch CPI. I don't trade during these days, but some of the members still asked me to go live today, so I decided to go live just to chill and watch this with you guys. But yeah, I don't trade during high impact news. But so far for this week, yeah, I made so far for this week. Yesterday, Tuesday, I made $2,432, a nice 6.68% account gain, and we are now sitting at $38,225 in the account. And yeah, made 100 pips yesterday, 101 pips total profit. So yeah, the week has been decent. Week's been decent. So once we get this news out the way, what else do we have? What's this? FOMC. So we've got FOMC as well later on tonight. Thursday, tomorrow we have PPI, so I'm not sure if I'll trade then either. But basically we just need to get the news out of the way this week. I've already made, you know, 6 point something percent, a couple grand, so I don't really need to trade for the rest of the week at this point. I've literally made a couple grand already. Like, there's no need for me to give back that money trying to trade during all this news, right? There's just no point. Oh yeah, let's check the numbers. Let's check the numbers. What were the numbers? Refresh. Also, it was positive. All positive news for the US dollar. That's why gold spiked down, obviously. So the dollar gained a lot of strength based on that, on that data. And yeah. That's why we saw a spike down on gold, because the US dollar gained a lot of strength right here during CPI. Interesting. Let's come back and retested that level. That level that we had earlier. Very interesting. Retested it. Rejecting. Peace out, Joe. Buy now. Will it hit all-time highs? Potentially, Croy. Potentially, yeah. I mean, we only had new all-time highs being printed yesterday, so you know. When next are you coming live? Every day, Monday to Friday, WD. I'm live Monday to Friday on TikTok, on YouTube. Send funds. Let me add to my trading account. You want me to send you funds, WD? Goldsmiths. Oh, you took my name. What did you say? How much points come down? Will it rise up? Let's take a look at the 4 hour, actually. Let's take a look. The 4 hour closes in 14 minutes. Yeah, price has just completely cleared all of this structure. So if this 4 hour candle now closes below this level here, the 2, 3, 4, 5 level, then there's a good indication that it's going to continue bearish. But you can see how this 4 hour candle is just jumping back and forth here, right? This is not a good sign. You don't want to be trading when a 4 hour candle is just jumping up and down so rapidly like this. So again, I would still just consider staying out of the markets for now. Wait until price settles down a little bit. But yeah, we got 1 hour, 4 hour closures below this level, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially in 13 minutes. And that's going to be telling, right? Because if we do close below this level, then there's a good chance, a very high chance, the price is going to continue bearish. But if we come back up and reject, close back above 2, 3, 4, 5, then, you know, we could then potentially see that move to the upside. But right now, everything just is relying here on gold on this 4 hour candle. This is very crucial. Very crucial, very important. Ty Dean, price moving crazy like this because we've just had inflation news on the USD. So for example, when a currency is GBP USD, what does it mean? Like if the pound gains value, USD will go down or what? Yeah, basically, Thomas, not always, because sometimes you can have two strong currencies, right? So if US dollar is currently very strong and the pound is strong, then you're going to probably see a lot of consolidation. But yeah, usually if the pound is stronger than the dollar, then GBP USD will go up. If the pound is weaker than the dollar, or flip it, if the US dollar is stronger than the pound, then GBP USD, for example, will go down. What's funny, WD? What's funny? Tony said sales all day. Tony's back in the chat. If you guys want to learn how to use the indicator properly, go to Tony's channel. We had heaps of people getting the indicator today, bro. I'm surprised it's done, but I just stayed on to watch the CPI, bro. We just had CPI news, inflation. So yeah, the TikTok went crazy. There was I think there was over 500 people in the TikTok today at one point. Everyone's here to watch CPI, so I decided to stay on. You know the deal. Did you receive a message? Yeah, I did get it, Bernie. So I'll reply after the stream. Yeah, the TikTok absolutely blew up, bro. It went absolutely crazy. Do we buy in now? That's completely up to you, Harry Roberts. This will just be a short squeeze to go higher. You think so? I mean, generally what happens when you get news events like this, if you do get a dip down like this, eventually price will reject and continue in the overall trend. So the overall trend on gold currently is bullish. So most of the time when you see these high impact news, you'll see a wick down. Same thing that we saw on NFP, right? So we had NFP right here. You got this sharp spike down. This is the 1 hour time frame. You got a spike down, and then price continued bullish in the overall trend, right? So that's generally, you know, patterns that happen in the market. Not always, but generally. So there's a good chance that we're just gonna, you know, grab liquidity down here, reject heavily from this level, and then eventually we'll just continue bullish along with the overall trend of the market. That's why I said this 4 hour closure is key, right? In 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, when this 4 hour candle closes, if it closes below this level, then there's a chance it could continue bearish, right? But if it closes back above this level, then chances are wick down, continue bullish. No, my Telegram channel does not have 10,000 subscribers. It has 976. Do you guys want the Telegram, the free one? I'll post it right now. This is the Telegram. Spammed it up for you guys there. If you guys want to join the Discord, that's the Discord. If you guys want to come over to the YouTube channel, come and give your boy a sub. That's the YouTube channel. Oh, so we got nice, bro, nice. So Nukebat made more profit today. So we posted earlier today that he made what, 206. So he made $206 earlier, and then made an extra $114 just now. So bro's going crazy. Bro's going crazy. And Nukebat is a Academy member. See you later, Harangab, bro. Appreciate you, bro. As always, stopping in. How often is CPI? Every month, I'm pretty sure, WD. Every month. Yeah, you guys are killing it right now. Nukebat, Nimbus, Tony. Also, a guy who is in the Discord, but he always messages me on Telegram. But he's in the academy, and he's always clapping gold as well. Always, he's always sending me that he's made profit. You know, taking trades and shit. Like, he's killing it as well. So yeah, a lot of academy members killing it right now. Doing better than me, to be honest. User, thank you for the rose, my guy. Appreciate you. Raccoon TikTok. Hi sir, what's happening? What's happening? Cole does trades. Got you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you. What's the Discord? The Discord is there, bro. If you scroll up, the Discord link is there. You're a spot trader, spot crypto. Oh, very nice, man. Is Forex trading a good way of income? Tidine, it's a good way of income if you know what you're doing, right? You have to know what you're doing. Otherwise, you're just going to lose a lot of money, right? It's going to be a very good outcome for your money, not an income. There is no good student without a good master. Not a Chinese saying. Spider-Man or Batman? Definitely. Oh, man. That's a hard one. I think definitely Spider-Man. For sure. Just based on childhood memories alone. Like, Spider-Man was the shit. Cold does trades. I'm from Australia too, man. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Spider-Man, you as well, Tony? Spider-Man, yeah. Spider-Man has to be, man. How to join Academy? Link down below in the description, WD, to the Academy. Payment options available as well, like if you can't afford the full thing. Johnny Ho said, told you it was a sell. Very nice, Johnny. Did you make profit? Do you go live at the same time every day? Yeah, bored. I go live Monday to Friday at the same time. 250, very nice, Johnny. Let's go, bro. Check it out. Is that Bitcoin Cash? USDT? I don't trade crypto, my guy. I'll definitely check it out, though, after the stream. Appreciate the follow, Bold. Santo, appreciate the follow. I only made 15 profit. Mansour, you shouldn't say only, man. You made profit in the Forex markets, which most people fail to do. Give yourself a pat on the back. Walk away from the charts today. Take your profit and come back tomorrow, bro, for sure. First question, Messi or Ronaldo? Oh, no, I know this one's gonna break a lot of people's hearts, but it has to be Ronaldo, bro. Has to be Ronaldo. I need to open a wallet to buy it. To buy what, Bernice? To buy what? Yeah, the Tom Holland one is good as well. I do like Tom Holland. Nice, I follow you. Oh, a guy asked me if Ronaldo or Messi, and I said Ronaldo, so he followed me. Messi stuck up. I don't know, man. I've just never been much of a Messi fan. I've always liked Ronaldo, probably because he played in the Prem, and I never really watched La Liga, so Ronaldo played in the Prem when I was growing up, so I watched him a lot. So that's probably why. LeBron or Jordan? You know what? I'm gonna have to say LeBron because I wasn't around during the Jordan era, so I didn't really watch much Jordan. So I'm gonna have to say LeBron. LeBron's a beast still. Like, how old is he right now, bro? Still going hard. Messi rigged. Messi shit. Better than ask, sell or buy. Yeah, 100%. I appreciate that, bro. Where am I from? I'm from UK originally, but I'm living in Australia, man. But yo, insane stream today, man. So we got 752 new followers on TikTok, 12,000 views, 323 diamonds, 8,900 likes, 1,112 comments. Bro, the TikTok went absolutely nuclear today, man. Des, thank you for the follow. Mental, thank you for the follow. Suri, thank you for the follow. Do I need to open any wallet to start trading? No, you need to make an account in a broker, Bernie. So you need to find a broker that you like. I recommend, you know, a broker with good spreads, a raw spread account, potentially a regulated broker, because you don't want to risk your money being in an unregulated broker. So you want to open an account with a broker, then you can deposit funds into that broker and start trading. Yeah, Tom Holland really suits the Spider-Man role for sure. Yeah, looks like 4 hours coming back down here. Let's have a look. So price, I mean, look at these levels, man. Just look at these levels. Look how price is reacting with these levels. Look at this precision in here. Like, even in this level right here, price rejecting. Absolute precision. Absolute precision, boys. You know, and if I get rid of that zone, you can see how clearly it just rejects that exact line on the chart. Like, it's an art. It's an art. What do you want me to say? What broker do you use? FP Markets. How to do, Bernice? Just search up. For example, Bernice, I use FP Markets, right? The broker FP Markets. So go on Google, type in FP Markets, take a look. You know, you can potentially make an account, deposit some money, then you can start trading. But yeah, you don't need to open any kind of wallet or anything like that. It's very simple to open a trading account. 4 hour time frame. You want to see the 4 hour time frame on gold? Yeah, so we need closures above or below 2, 3, 4, 5, this level right here, right? So it looks like it's closing in 50 seconds. It looks like it's going to close below this level, which can give a very good indication that price is going to continue bearish, in my opinion. Are demo accounts good for practice? 100%, Ethan. If you're brand new to trading and you don't know anything about Forex, starting off with a demo account can definitely help you out, get you up to scratch, and get you understanding things a lot quicker. FP market. So, Bernice, I'll message you after. Actually, I'll message you after, and we'll talk about it after. Can I do Forex with 100 USD? Yeah, you can for sure. You're not going to make a lot of money with it, but you definitely can. Is FB regulated in EU? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure they are. Yeah, they're regulated here in Australia, so I'm not sure. I don't see why they wouldn't. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Boy Store, Doan, Jack, PX. Logers. Don't forget manage money. 1 hour candle close. Yeah, 1 hour candle close, 4 hour candle closed. Below this level. Below this level right here. So yeah, sell continuations. For sure. Sell continuations on gold for sure. You can potentially look for a breakout of this level right here. Right, so you can look for sales below 23298 285. 2329285. Below this level, I believe. Yeah, Dominoes. I would say look for sales below 2329285 for sure. The 4H candle is closed, yeah. Some brokers it's not going to show that it is, but on Awanda, which is the broker that I use, the 4 hour is closed. My AG, my IG, yeah, my IG is the same name as well, Bernice. Forex with Cody. What is the minimum amount of money should one have for their first time? I don't know, like $50, $100 maybe. What session is best for trading gold? I use pre-London session raw card. Pre-London session is what I like. But New York session also is probably the main session to trade gold, which most traders will trade gold. But I prefer to trade it during pre-London session. That's 2 hours before London session opens. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. All right, I'm going to head out. So if you guys want, you can look for sales below 2329243 with a 5-minute closure below. You can look for breakouts, but that's what I would look at right now, right? Sales below here, but it's 11 p.m. here. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm exhausted. I'll be live tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, on TikTok. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, the TikTok went absolutely insane today, man. Thank you guys for all the follows. Literally 776 new follows on the TikTok. Absolutely insane. Remind them that strong news is coming in 30 minutes. Yeah, guys, it's not 30 minutes, is it? CAD. We got CAD news. We don't really have to worry about, I suppose. Don't have to worry about that. But yeah, there's more news tonight. FOMC at 4 a.m. my time, so in 5 hours. So yeah, definitely be wary of that. But if you want to look for sales right now, look for sales below here. Look below this bottom level. Like I said, 2329276. Don't say I didn't warn you. But yeah. Yo, do you think if I got VPN then I could use the same broker as you? Doesn't VPN make it seem like I'm in a different country? It does, Tony, but I'm not sure how that would work. Yeah, you might have to check that one out. But it's a good thought though, for sure. But yeah. Okay, you can send me a message on IG as well. Yeah, for sure. See you later, Tucking. See you later, guys. I appreciate you. Yeah, insane stream. Nice move on gold. Levels being respected beautifully. If you guys, you know, if you guys like the streams, make sure you like, follow, sub to help your boy out. And I will see you tomorrow, all right? We'll see you tomorrow. Like I said, watch out for these sales. Watch out for these sales. You bought, Croy? What did you buy, my guy? Why did you buy, my guy? No worries, Salva. No worries, man. Will it go up? I personally don't see any bullish price action right now. I only see sales below 2329, 276. All right. But yeah, peace out, guys. I'll be live tomorrow again, same time on YouTube, TikTok, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. We'll do some New York analysis. We'll look for some trades. We'll have a chat. We'll chill out. Appreciate you. Thank you for the subs today. It was insane. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Should I hold buy position? That's up to you, man. If you have a trading plan, a strategy, you have a risk management plan, then you need to follow that, my guy. You need to see your strategy, see your trading plan through, and you know, you entered the trade, Croy. You entered the trade, bro. So there has to be a reason why you entered it, right? If you entered it, you should have a plan to manage it. So yeah, I can't give you advice on a trade that I know nothing about, right? I don't know why you entered. I don't know your strategy. I don't know where your take profit is, where your stop loss is. So yeah, but